In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo using Microsoft Word. Now you might be wondering, can you really design a logo in Word? Yes, you absolutely can, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step so you have all the tools you need to get started. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Microsoft Word file. This is where all the magic is going to happen. If you haven't already thought about your logo design, take a moment now to do so. Consider the essence of your logo, the message you want it to convey, and perhaps the name of the business, company, or service it will represent. These details are crucial as they guide your creative process. Now let's explore the 3 essential tabs in Microsoft Word that will assist us in crafting a logo. These are Home, Insert, and Draw. Each tab has its own unique set of tools that we'll leverage to transform your vision into a reality. Let's begin with the Home tab. Under this tab, you can type in the text for your logo. It's vital to select a font style that reflects your brand's personality. Whether it's bold, elegant, or modern, choose a font that encapsulates your message. Adjust the size and spacing until you're happy with how it looks. Additionally, Word allows you to add effects such as shadows, reflections, or even glow to give your text some extra flair and depth. Next, let's navigate over to the Insert tab. This is the place where you can really start bringing your ideas to life. Here, you're able to add various shapes and designs which are crucial to many logos. You can insert icons that align with your brand, or even 3D models. The Shapes tool allows you to incorporate elements like circles or squares that can serve as the backdrop for your logo. Experiment with different styles until you achieve a look that resonates with you. Finally, let's move on to the Draw tab. If you enjoy adding a personal touch to your work, this is the perfect tool for you. With the Draw feature, you can manually sketch portions of your logo using a digital pen or even just your mouse. This is ideal for adding unique elements that set your logo apart from others. For the purpose of this guide, I'm going to create a simple sample logo. Feel free to follow along or adapt these steps as you see fit. All right, you've done an amazing job. With all the pieces in place and a design you're proud of, your logo is now complete. Keep in mind that simplicity often leads to elegance, so don't hesitate to refine and simplify your design until it perfectly captures the essence of your brand. Thanks for joining me in this guide on crafting your logo in Word. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and it has inspired you to use Microsoft Word to create beautiful designs. Take care and happy designing.